It's like watching a child prodigy grow up. But in this case, the prodigy is a computer program, evolving and learning at an astonishing rate. From algorithms to masterpieces, how AI creates art. AI uses style transfer to create unique art by morphing styles of different images. It can also generate original artwork like GANs abstract paintings sold at auctions. AI isn't limited to painting. It's composing music, writing poetry, and choreographing dances. AI is a multidisciplinary creative genius, breaking down creative barriers. We're talking AI-generated symphonies, poems, and dance routines. AI is revolutionizing art, and it's exciting to watch. The artful collaboration humans and AI as creative partners. It's not about robots replacing artists, but humans and AI teaming up. AI is a creative collaborator, helping artists push boundaries. Artists can use AI to generate hundreds of design variations, exploring new possibilities. This collaboration leads to mind-blowing results, like the portrait of Edmund Bellamy sold at Christie's. Embrace the strengths of both humans and AI to push the boundaries of art. Two creative minds, one human, one artificial, are better than one. AI, democratizing art and sparking new possibilities. AI is making art more accessible to everyone, not just the elite. It's opening doors for people who never thought they could be artists. User-friendly AI art apps let anyone create stunning digital masterpieces. These tools are designed to be intuitive and easy to use. No need for years of training or complicated software. With just a few taps, anyone can bring their imagination to life. AI is breaking down barriers, giving everyone the power to express themselves creatively. It's fostering a new wave of artistic expression. It's democratizing art, putting creative tools in everyone's hands. This technology is revolutionizing how we think about art and creativity. AI is also making waves in music, writing, and filmmaking. It's not just visual art, it's transforming all creative fields. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a newbie, AI has something for you. It's a tool that enhances creativity at every level. Embrace technology to unleash the inner artist in all of us. The possibilities are endless when creativity meets technology. The next genius could discover their passion through an AI art app. Who knows what incredible art is waiting to be created?